It's about to be 6:30 p.m. right now, and I don't know what happened to me. I just I have zero motivation to do anything. I mean, just like on March 9th, I'm just not in the mood at all anymore. I'm just not in the mood. So I did nothing for the past 4 hours. I did nothing. I watched YouTube videos and I didn't do anything. Uh Originally, I planned to do Maths 2017 Paper 2, uh, plus Biology 2016, plus some Chemistry, the MCs, plus the Chinese writing today, but I don't think I'll be able to do all that. I will try my best to do the Chinese writing, and also the Biology 2016, because I was supposed to do it yesterday. But other than that, I just feel like I should take a bit of a break today. So it's for 7:43 p.m. and I've written this much in the last 10 minutes or so. So I think I'm gonna do Biology 2016 and finish this, but I won't be able to. Or actually, I'm only going to do Biology 2016 MCs, the multiple choice questions, and then I'm going to leave um, leave the long questions and Maths 2017 for tomorrow, or maybe a couple days later, because I got stuff to do tomorrow as well. Um, I How do I feel? Uh, so I don't know what to say. I just really hope that graduation dinner becomes an actual thing. My shoes are breaking down. My slippers are breaking down. Um, I um, I I feel like if I force myself to know people right now, it's already too late. And if I had tried to know people better, like years ago, then maybe it would have worked. But I was too late, or more like I I was too I was too cowardly to actually step out of my social comfort zone. Um, and now I finally, not now, but like lately, I finally, start to actually try to let go. But it's already too late, and I mean, I don't expect myself to decode every single person I meet. Um, but I don't know why I feel like I don't have the responsibility to decode Mary, but I feel like I deserve to know who is Mary. And also Kingsley, because both Mary and Kingsley were also, I guess, at some point, one way or another, um, you know, I guess, not friends with me, less than friends. But at some point they know me and I know them. And I mean, I already figured Natalie out. I don't think, working Natalie out that is that difficult actually, but it takes years. Um, and I haven't worked Jordana out, to be honest, but am I interested in her anymore? No. And it's not like I'm completely oblivious with what's going on in Jordana's head, but I already know her quite a bit, more than average, I guess. Just a bit. You know, the psychopathic parts, but I'm not really all that interested. Right now it's 2:45 a.m. I need to sleep. I didn't do anything all that much today. I did the chemistry video. I wrote a little bit Chinese, but I just can't. I miss my friends. I miss the people who are not my friends. And I actually rewatched my own videos, like the virginity one and the school update one, which I edited, and I just edited the chemistry video, and I will upload it tomorrow, or more like a few hours later. Um, I don't know. Such a shame. I guess there's no English word. There's a Chinese word um that perfectly describes my feeling now, but there's no English version of that word. So I guess Europeans don't have this feeling. I don't know. But this feeling is basically you can't do anything about something even though you want to, and it's a shame. It's a shame that you can't do anything. Uh, the situation is basically helpless. Um, that's basically my position right now. Again, if I can time travel, I will go back. Knowing the risks, I will go back. Um, because I just ruined the greatest opportunities, plural opportunities, in my high school life. Pretty much 90% of them. And it's not to say I completely ruined it. I mean, I have done some pretty damn awesome things during my high school life. I actually broadcasted my voice on speakers, full volume, in front of the entire school. Except people didn't really know it's me or notice that it's me, but I actually did that. That actually happened. Yes, I was the announcer, and then the other time I was the master of ceremony of an open day, but it was such a small event for some reason. Like people didn't really care. The teachers didn't really care all that much. Another thing is the whole drama thing, the plays, the Shakespeare stuff and some other stuff, some drama play stuff. But it's not like my classmates actually saw them. They saw the first one, where I play the smallest role ever. If they see me play Macbeth, they'll be like, fuck, man, this guy's truly acting. Mary actually saw me play this role, this ex boyfriend of a girl main character. And in one scene, I argue with the girl, and I knew that Mary's watching me, so I was like extra angry, just yelling my ass off. And then I saw Mary doing this. I didn't I'm not sure if Mary actually did this or not, but if she did, I mean, goddamn. I don't know. Maybe it's my mind's tricking me. Um, but yeah, my mom was there watching too. Goddamn, I wish my mom wasn't there, and teachers were there too. I wish they weren't there. I wish they'd seen my Macbeth though. Sandra actually saw my Macbeth, the one where I become super cold-blooded and evil. But at the end, when Lady Macbeth dies, I was like, no, and that's the end of the play because it can't be too long, so it's cut short. So at the end, Lady Macbeth just lies on the ground, and I'm like, no, and then I just die. Oh no, wait, I'm wrong. I die first, and wait, who dies first? Lady Macbeth or Macbeth? Which one dies first? I think I think Macbeth dies first. Yeah, Lady Macbeth dies first. And then I just crumble after seeing her. Yeah, I remember that scene. The lady dies first. Um and that was pretty good. That was pretty fucking good, you know. There was originally a scene where I murder this guy, or actually I order someone to murder him, and I'm like looking the other way, like I want to care about him. I don't want to do this. I don't want to murder people, but I have to because I want to secure my power. And I just look away. That was pretty good. Mary should be there and see my fucking acting skills. Fuck you. Arrgh. All right, I need to sleep. My throat is dead, and tomorrow I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna upload the travel vlogs, and I will try to do some revision. But yeah, 5 days left, 6 days left, 6. So now it's 1:45 p.m. on April 18th, and it's the 3 years anniversary of my YouTube channel, so that is pretty fantastic in my opinion. Because I didn't do much yesterday, neither did I do much 2 days ago. So today I have a really, 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 really tight schedule. So tight, it's actually physically impossible, chronologically impossible to do all this. So it's basically 3 days of revision, all stuffed into one day. We have chemistry MCs, we got the chemistry post-mock 4, we got the biology 2016, we got the physics 2016, plus the physics 2016 electives, and then we got maths paper 2 2017. So 4 papers. Dude, it's impossible. Okay? It's impossible to finish 4 papers. Oh, and the Chinese writing. Plus the Chinese writing. So I'm gonna be a little selective. I'm only, plus I want to go out again today to edit some other travel vlogs. So a chunk of time today had already been taken. I also originally wanted to wake up 10 a.m. today, but I just can't. I was just so tired, and I was like half awake, half asleep for about like 2 hours. I woke up at 9:30 and then 10:15, and then I was half awake, half asleep until 12 something, 12:15-ish. But I should definitely sleep earlier tonight so I can wake up earlier tomorrow. So this means that we don't have that much time today in the nighttime. So I don't think I will be able to complete biology 2016. I will, however, I will do the biology 2016 MCs. I will not do the maths 2017 as much as I want to do. I cannot do it. Instead, I will do post-mock 4 chemistry, because chemistry is the first subject. It is the most urgent matter of all times. Okay, besides of chemistry, of course, I need to finish the Chinese writing, number 3. Number 4, a little bit chemistry MCs. I can do them right now, real quick, 1 sec. It's really fast. No worries. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do biology 2016 long questions and physics 2016 core plus electives, and also the maths. And this is all for today. If I can add one more thing. I don't think I can add any more things today. I think today is already full. But yeah. So it's been a while. I finished section 9. We need to move over to oh, wait a second. Section 10, chemical equilibrium. You have to be kidding me. I hate this section. Alright, either way, I'm gonna do it. Section 10. Is this the right pen? What the heck? What the heck? Alright, question 1. In which of the following systems will the equilibrium position shift to the left in response to an increase in pressure of the system? Oh shit. It's different? Alright, let's go back. In which of the following systems will the equilibrium position shift to left? Shift to left means more reactants formed. So, increase in pressure, more reactants formed. Well, Shoot. So if you increase the pressure, so if you decrease the pressure, more products will form. Which means, I think it's D. I think it's D, because I don't even know. I don't know anymore. I'm gonna say D. I'm gonna circle it because I don't know what's going on. Question 2. Consider the following system at equilibrium. Okay, so positive enthalpy change, it's endothermic. If the temperature of the system is lowered because it's endothermic, then the forward reaction rate is going to decrease. Backwards reaction rate is going to increase. So it's A. Yeah. Question 3. Catalysts are used in many industrial processes. Catalysts would not affect the percentage of the product. Yes, both are true. I'm giving this an A. Alright, question 4. A mixture of N2O4 and NO2 is allowed to attain equilibrium in a gas syringe at room temperature. The gas mixture in the syringe is compressed rapidly. Which of the following statements correctly describes the expected observation? Okay, so the gas mixture is compressed rapidly. So originally it's expanding because of 1 mole to 2 moles, but now it's compressed again. So the color of the mixture becomes paler. No, color of the mixture becomes darker. Also, wait, it could become paler. The color of the mixture becomes paler instantaneously and then darker. What? Oh my god. I think it just becomes paler because, you're giving it pressure. I guess. I don't know. I finished it. I got 9 of them wrong. 17 out of 26. Not so ideal. Apparently I got 2, 3, 4 wrong. So you see me wrong on screen. That's pretty cool. So this is going to be the last time that I'm going to be leaving my apartment before the DSEs, so this is important. Alright, so I'm uploading my vlog, my travel vlog. I don't know why is it taking such a long time. It's already been 3 hours. I guess the internet connection is terrible here. It's still processing at 0%, even though it's been like half an hour. Anyways, I'm gonna go back home, have dinner, do the Biology 2016 MCs and long questions, and finish up the Chinese writing, and then do the chemistry post Mach 5, and MCs plus long questions, and then I will ascend, and at the end of the day I'm going to edit videos, more school update videos, the announcement video, and then I'm done. Yeah. Alright, I'm back at home. I have had dinner just then. It's 9 p.m. and now the game fucking begins. I may look very excited and forward thinking right now, but mistake not, okay? Because the mood inside me right now is incredibly regretful, somewhat melancholic, and full of helpless, um, helpless sadness. But there is no time for grief. There is no time for procrastination. We have 6 days left until the DSEs. 6 days, okay? That's 6 days. So it's all out. It's war. 6 days, 144 hours. It's all out. War. All out. Just full speed. And yes, for the past few weeks and for the past couple of days, I slowed down because I was, well, first of all, I slowed down in the beginning because, hey, DSE got postponed. But a couple of days ago, you know, school is over and I was emotionally not in a great position. But right now, I don't care what I feel. I don't care how am I, because time doesn't care. And the exams sure don't care about how I feel. So I need to approach this stoically, and I need to approach this strategically. And again, 9 p.m. right now. I have 3 things that I'm going to quickly do. Biology 2016, right now. I may not be able to complete the whole thing, but I'll try my best. Next, Chinese writing. I got a pretty good topic. Even Pink says it's good, so it's got to be good, right? 3, chemistry post-mock 5. I want to get over 70% for that paper. Over 70%. Can he do it? Yes, I can. Can I do it? Yes, I can. Over 70%. And then a little afterwards, a little Chinese. Just a tinge, just a dinge, just a little sprinkle of Chinese to end off the day. And then I sleep early, take my sleeping pills, and then wake up 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. You know, be awake, be alive, and be fearless, and have hope. Well, no, hope, don't have hope. Nope, no. Hope, bad. Hope is bad. But try my very best to look forward to the day I actually see Mary and speak to her one last time in my entire life, in real life. I don't know if I will speak to her in social media, maybe, I don't know, but in real life, only one chance. Only one chance, motherfuckers. Alright, so biology 2016. I'ma do it. Now time 9. Yeah. Time now is 9:07 p.m. Let's start. So, real easy here. Ear bones convert, ear bones transmit vibrations. That's what they do. Eustachian tube. This one, easy. Cochlea. D. Boom. Easy peasy. Next. Photomitograph below shows the appearance of genetic materials at 2 different stages of the cell cycle. Have I done... Wait a second. I feel like I've done this. I don't... Wait, what? Have I done this before? I mean... Oh, wait a second. This is weird. I'm getting deja vu. I have definitely... Oh my gosh. I've definitely done this before. But I guess, but I guess I can do it again. Wouldn't hurt, would it? Would not hurt. I don't think it would hurt. Alright. Well, this is weird. What? Alright, we have biology 2016 here. I've changed my mind. I'm not gonna do 2015 now. Okay, I've done this before, of course, but that's a long time ago. So I think my memories are not fresh enough for me to be able to, you know, do some shenanigans here. So I'm gonna do 2016. Now time is 9:12. I will start now. Now. Okay, already kind of difficult. The table below shows the conditions which may result from damage to a certain part of the brain. Complete the table by filling in either the condition or the structural part of the brain affected. Difficulty in breathing. I think this is medulla oblongata. Yep, medulla oblongata. Cerebellum is a difficulty in muscle coordination, I guess. Difficulty, okay. This thing is huge. Muscle coordination. And difficulty in speech and vision. This is a cerebrum. In the following table, put a tick in the appropriate boxes to show the features of each flowering plant. Lesser celandine. Leaves with parallel veins, network veins. It's a network vein. Single flowers, or cluster. I don't know, looks pretty single to me. Looks pretty single to me. Alright. Hyacinth, parallel veins, cluster of flowers. Wild daffodil. I think it's parallel veins, single flowers. Primrose. Okay. Primrose is network veins. Single, I think. And nettle is also network. I can't tell. Where's the flower? Where's the flower? Where's the flower? I can't see any flowers. Maybe these are flowers, but maybe these are just petals. Or maybe these are very small flowers. I can't tell. I'm gonna say cluster. I don't even know. This whole thing is worth 2 marks, okay? Doesn't mean shit. Oh, dichotomous key. Great. Right now, April 19th, 12:30 after midnight. I am an hour late than my schedule. I still haven't touched any of my Chinese writing today yet. But I will do chemistry post mock number 4. And I believe, because now I'm better, of course, I improved. I think I can finish the entire paper 1 in 2 hours. So at around 2:30, I'm gonna go to bed. I actually high key want to do the electives paper as well, but I don't think I have time. But if I finish this earlier, I will allow myself to do paper 2 of post mock 4, and or I will write a little more Chinese, and then I'm gonna go to bed and wake up 9-10 a.m. tomorrow. That is the plan. Which of the following pairs of elements will combine most readily to form an ionic compound? I believe it's a B. It's a B, because potassium is the most reactive, and so is fluorine. Out of the halogens, which of the following method is the most suitable for preparing zinc nitrate crystals? The most suitable. Definitely not D. I don't think C is all that good either. Okay, B is even worse. This is probably the best. A. I'm not that sure. Alright. Components of air separated in fractionating column concerning gases being separated out is incorrect. Ascending order of boiling points of gases A, B, and C is A smaller than B smaller than C in ascending order. So C has the highest boiling point. No, it is correct. Percentage by volume of gas A in air is 78%. How do I know? How would I know? So the percentage of volume of air, if it's 78%, it's got to be nitrogen. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So, yep, nitrogen. I think this is correct too. I think nitrogen is the lightest. Gas B exists as a diatomic in the atmosphere. So, oxygen solution produced by dissolving gas D in water is an essential component of soft drinks. So, gas D being carbon dioxide. Wow, I don't know this one. God damn. I don't know. I'm gonna go with D because I don't think they remove or maybe they do remove carbon dioxide. I don't know, to be honest. I really don't know. I really don't know. Alright. Question 4. Which of the following substances cannot be used to distinguish between concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid? Copper turnings. Nope. I don't think so. Potassium iodide. Oh. Wait a second. Cannot be used to distinguish. Here's the thing. Concentrated hydrochloric acid has Cl minus chloride. This thing has nitrate ions. So you can actually reduce nitrate, right, to something like NO2. And I think, oh my gosh, I think you can't do it with marble chips. Just a hunch, though. Just a hunch. I've done this for almost an hour. Oh my gosh, I want to die. This is so tough. This is even worse than Post-Mach 2. Like, just this one is already tough. This one is extremely tough. This one is kind of tough as well. Took me a few minutes. And then we have, this one's confusing. A and B and C are also correct. I don't know what's going on. This is weird. This question, this one sucks. I don't know how to do this one. Again, I spent minutes here, and this is just weird. Reaction between two negatively charged ions. There are reactions going on? What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Even the first fucking question is super difficult. Immediately we have x and y, and we need to figure out a simultaneous equation now? Are you fucking kidding me? And originally, before I solved it, I arrived at 0.47x plus 0.49y equals to 6.106. And then I subbed this one into x. And so 0.47 times 12.8. This, it's the same. It cancels out and becomes 0. What the fuck is this? And how did I solve it, you ask? Well, I used my own program because I am a smart boy, and I got 8.3 and 4.5 for x and y respectively, but I still don't know how did I arrive at this formula and still got it wrong. I don't know what happened there. Like, okay, so something must have went wrong, okay? I need to proofread this. So look, 3.901 and then 0.49 times 8 times 4.5. Oh, look. Then what is this? Then what is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. What is... Oh. What? It doesn't make any sense. Okay, this is fucking insane. This is fucking insane. So for question 2, it says that 47 Ti can react with hydrofluoric acid HF to form this hydrogen gas and hydrogen ions. So now I need to write the chemical equation. Simple, right? Wrong, because the mole ratio of hydrogen gas and hydrogen ions is found to be 1 to 2. So say 1 to 2. Now the ion is TiF6. And like, come on. So F6, right? So now 6 moles of this. So 6 hydrogen. Now I need to split 6 hydrogen into H2 and H plus. In a way, it is 1 to 2. And the only way to do that is, this is 1 and this is 2, 1 to 2. So 1 times 2, 2 times 1. So now it becomes 4 hydrogens, right? So 6 over 4, I do this, 6 over 4, 3 over 2. So now it becomes, so now it becomes 3 plus 3 over 2, I guess. This is so weird. See it? Oh my god. Okay. Let's make our concepts clearer. The numbers we need to write here. Okay, say this number is x. Well, the number behind H2 is x. So this is 2x, right? So x, but then we have 2. So 2x plus, again, this times 2, so 2x equals to 6. So 4x equals 6, so x becomes 3 over 2, of course. So it becomes 3 over 2, 3 over 2 times 2 plus 3 over 4, because 3 over 2, 3 over 2 becomes 3 over 4 times 2. Now it's still 4.5. You have to be kidding me. Or more like, okay, what the heck? This. Now it's 3. You're joking. Now, like 4. Alright, 4. No. 4. Okay, 6. Finally, 6. So, it becomes 3 plus... Oh my... Now I'm back to... Oh my goodness. See, this is so confused. I don't know if it's because I'm sleepy or if this is really tough. But we need to make this. So, okay. So this is x. And this is 2x. Right. And then there are 3 hydrogens. So this is... Oh my gosh. Okay. So first of all, let's say we have 3 HF. How am I gonna distribute it? Now 3 HF, 3 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3. But the catch is this is 1. This is 1 times, this is 2 times. So what I'm gonna do is 1.5. Okay, so let's try 0.75 and then 1.5, right? So 0.75 times 2 plus 1.5 becomes 3. So I don't want that. So it becomes 0.5 times 2 becomes 1.5. So this is 1.5 and this is 3 now. So 1.5 times 2 plus 3 equals to 6. Okay, we got that cracked. Finally we've cracked it. Again, I don't know if it's... I think I'm dumb. I think I'm just dumb. I already got 3 over 2 here. I just need to time to it. And then, since we have a 2 here, we need to do the whole thing all over again. So, you know... There we go. We've cracked it. I think we've done it. Okay, I can't go on, but you know the drill. Is the reaction in, see, that took me 20 minutes. Is the reaction in to a redox reaction? Oh my goodness. Okay. So I should say, oh my goodness. So fluorine right here, fluorine is -1, right? So originally the hydrogen is +1, and then now it's +6, so hydrogen gets oxidized, and then the Ti from 0 to -3 minus -9, 0 to -9. What the fuck? Yes, I'm gonna say yes, because the oxidation number of hydrogen increases from -1 to 6, while that of 47 Ti decreased from 0 to -9. I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. Next question. Okay, you can't see it, but question 1 is still not over. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm gonna do this. 48 Ti is used instead of 47 Ti to react with hydrofluoric acid. When a burning splint is put at the mouth of the reaction flask, it burns with a pop sound. I need to explain why? Since when? Oh my god. Hydrogen gas is produced when a burning splint is placed in hydrogen gas. Pop sound is heard because hydrogen gas is explosive. I don't know. Titanium exists as titanium 4 oxide in the Earth's crust. To extract titanium from is first converted to titanium 4 chloride, which is a liquid at room temperature. Suggests a structure. Oh, why? Giant ionic structure, right? Because I need to explain this. Chloride is an ionic compound. It's gotta be this. I don't know. Draw the electron. Okay, finally, something simpler. Draw the electron of titanium 4 chloride. Oh my goodness. Titanium 4 chloride? So originally, okay, wait. Titanium is right here. So a Ti 4 plus, and then chloride is -1. So 4 plus, this is -1. So we need 1 titanium. 1 titanium out. And then 4 chloride. Yep. This is how I would draw it. What if it's a covalent structure? Then I'm fucked, am I right? I mean, it could actually be, similar to carbon chloride, chloroform and all that. I'm gonna stick with this though. All right. A student suggests that electrolysis of liquid titanium chloride can be employed to extract titanium. Comment on the suggestion. I don't even know. I think electrolysis works, right? Electrolysis works. So he is correct. Again, just a hunch here, he is correct. Since titanium 4 ions will be reduced to titanium. I don't even know if titanium is reactive or not. How do I know how to answer this question? Finally, question 2 after half an hour. What the fuck is this? Oh my god, it's already 2:30 a.m. Tricarbonylic acid is an enzyme inhibitor. It is a tribasic acid. Of course, the structure of tricarbonylic acid is shown below. State the meaning of tribasic acid. Finally, something simpler. Tribasic acid is... I shouldn't write this actually. This wastes time. Tribasic acid is a molecule that has three ionizable hydrogen atoms, I think. Calculation. Determine the concentration of tricarbonyl. The student performs titration. The volume of the acid sample is this. This of this sample is withdrawn and then titrated against this, and this is needed to require to reach the endpoint. Okay, what is the molarity of the tricarb? Okay, wait, so 3 of this plus 1 NaOH equals to H2O plus this 2H2O. So I don't think any of this matters, right? I just need to remember that. Okay, I just need to remember that for 1 NaOH, 3 hydrogen ions react. That's all I need to remember. Alright, so number of moles of NaOH reacted. That would be this. Okay, you can't see it. 9.17 E negative 3, and then this thing times 3, of course, and then molarity. And then okay, I'm gonna just directly calculate the molarity here. This thing, turns out I'm wrong. That'll be hilarious, right? Okay, this thing equals to 1.10 m. I hope I'm right. The student is given the same tricarbonylic acid sample in a pH meter. Describe briefly how to determine whether it's strong acid or weak acid. Oh my gosh. pH meter. So dissolve the same mass. Well, actually, I'm overthinking it. Duh. The same sample. Test the, I don't know, this is really dumb though. pH value of a 1.1 molarity NaOH. Then test the sample. If the pH level is similar Oh god, I need to turn on the air conditioner. One sec. My neurons are firing like insane. And we still have question 2 is still not over. Are you fucking kidding me? It's already 2:30 a.m. God damn it, my neurons are firing. God damn it, my neurons are firing. God damn it, my neurons are firing. It is known that the triglyceride acid is a weak acid. Phosphoric acid is not the strong tribasic acid. It is weak. Why? There are 25 phosphoric acid, the same concentration, the tribalic acid and sample. With the volume of 0.35 m sodium hydroxide required for complete, compared to I be larger, smaller, or the same. So shoot, 25 times same concentration, so let's say 1.1. And then we got oh, so okay, I don't need to calculate anything. I just need to say that I think it is the same. Wait, 0.35? Oh, it's originally 0.35. Same number of same volume. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, because both acids, because both acids also provide the same the same number of moles of hydrogen ions, I guess. Same number of moles. Trimesic acid is another tribasic acid. Its chemical structure is shown below. The student suggests using acidified potassium permanganate solution to distinguish between potassium permanganate? How? Wait, what? Potassium permanganate? Wait, I think it works though. I think it works. He is correct, or she, you know, whatever. They is correct. They are correct. They am correct. Trimesic acid reacts with KMNO4 as the addition reaction will occur because there are CC double bonds. Addition reaction will occur, yep, as there are CC double bonds, but tricarboxylic acid, that does not. I don't know, leave me alone. Alright, finally question 3. I want to die. Underground iron pipelines are protected from rusting by connecting pipelines to magnesium. State the essential conditions, water and oxygen. Boom, easy. The protective method involves a redox reaction. Is the iron pipeline the anode or the cathode? State the direction of electron flow between the pipeline and magnesium. Alright, so 2 things. First of all, is the iron pipeline anode or cathode? What the frick? The magnesium gets oxidized first. So oxidation is anode, so the iron becomes cathode. Iron is cathode. No need explanation. State the direction of electron flow between the pipeline and the magnesium. So, what the heck? Magnesium loses electrons to iron, I guess. Briefly describe. Oh my gosh. Since magnesium is a weaker reducing agent, I guess. A stronger reducing agent. Duh. Because it wants to be oxidized even more. So it loses electrons, or it oxidizes instead of iron, right? Name another metal that can be used to replace magnesium. Okay. Zinc. Yay. I shouldn't. Fuck it. Alright. And question 3 is not over. Of course. I love living. There are other methods to protect the pipeline from rusting. Coating the pipelines with magnesium is another method. What you just did? You just did. Oh, connecting pipelines, coating the pipelines. The principle of this protective method is block the iron from being exposed to air and water. State and explain whether the exposed parts of the iron would rust if the magnesium coating is scratched. No, because the magnesium still serves as the sacrificial protection. Phosphoric acid can be used to remove rust. Write a chemical equation for the reaction involved. What? State symbols not required. Thank you. Fuck you. Alright. H2PO4. Okay, I don't need state symbols. Duh. My bad. Habit. Good habits. Alright. H2CO4. Remove rust? Remove rust? Oh. Wait a second. What? Remove rust. Rust is Fe2O3, I think, or FeO. I think it's FeO, right? Crap. I think it forms I don't know. I'm just maybe this, and I'm gonna balance it. Okay, it's 3 a.m. right now. I'm 1.5 hours late than my schedule. I'm supposed to sleep at 1:30. So I'm still gonna wake up as early tomorrow as planned because I cannot postpone any further. 10 a.m. it is, so around 6 hours. Yeah. I can't even finish post Mach 4 as well. It's so fucking difficult. I finished 7 long questions and all the MCs, and I can't do the Chinese writing. I don't have time now. I can't do the paper 2 of post Mach 4. I don't have time now. I'm gonna push all that tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm gonna have an extremely tight schedule, and it's tighter than ever been, and hopefully I can make it with a sleepy brain. Yeah, there's that.